Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and in a way that are easy to understand. Alright, let's get started. In today's tech tip, we're going to be talking about chapters on YouTube videos. Now, what is a chapter? A chapter is these little sections where you can see that there is a definite divide and a little title above each section. These are useful in longer videos or for how-to videos when you want a user to be able to just scroll through a different section. Very useful so they don't actually have to try to clip and find the section of the video that they'll actually want to watch. Second, you'll see that it puts timestamps down in the comments so that they can click on those as well. So how do we get started on that? You'll need to go to your video details, and then in your video details, you'll need to start with timestamp 0:00, and then you can put a dash, and then you can name the chapter. And you'll need to go through that until you've named all of your chapters. Now the manual part is that you'll need to know the timestamps that you want to use. And for chapters to work, there needs to be a minimum of 3 chapters per video. Also, they need to be 10 seconds or longer. Now I'm going to go over that now with you now. So here's a couple things. If you have used chapters and they're not working, these are the requirements to have chapters on your video. Again, as I said, you need to have a starting timestamp of 0:00. You need to have 3 more chapters. All of your chapters need to be 10 seconds or longer. The timestamps need to be listed in chronological order. And you need to use colons instead of periods. 2 other things that can be happening is if you have any videos on your channel that have active copyright strikes, that could be blocking your chapters, or your videos could be inappropriate for some viewers. So double check all of these settings, and then in about 24 to 48 hours, the chapters will automatically appear on your video. Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. Alright, see you in the next one.